Plant Placement in English, a comprehensive guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating aspect of English language learning, the concept of plant placement. This term may sound a bit technical, but by the end of this video, you'll understand it thoroughly and be able to use it effectively in your English conversations. Plant placement refers to the strategic positioning of plants in various settings, such as gardens, homes, or offices. It's not just about aesthetics. It's about the functional and environmental benefits of plants. In this section, we'll dive into the basics of plant placement and its significance. Here, we'll discuss why plant placement is crucial. Plants can improve air quality, enhance mental health, and even boost productivity. We'll look at scientific studies that back up these claims, making it clear why understanding this concept is beneficial. In this section, we'll share some practical tips on how to effectively place plants in different environments. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned plant enthusiast, these tips will help you make the most out of your plant placement. Plant placement isn't just a universal concept. It varies across cultures. We'll explore how different cultures approach plant placement, from the Zen gardens of Japan to the lush balconies of the Mediterranean. This will give you a broader perspective and appreciation for this fascinating topic. We hope this video has enlightened you about the wonderful world of plant placement. Remember, it's not just about placing a plant in a corner. It's about creating a harmonious environment that benefits both you and the plant. Happy planting, and see you in our next video.